Hello, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and informative video for you as we tackle the infamous P0306 trouble code. If your check engine light is on and you're experiencing a rough idle or poor performance, you might be dealing with a misfire on cylinder 6. But fear not, because we're here to guide you through the troubleshooting process and show you how to fix the P0306 code. Let's get started. Before we dive into the fixes, let's quickly understand what the P0306 code means. This code indicates a misfire in cylinder 6 of your engine. A misfire occurs when the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder doesn't ignite properly, leading to a rough-running engine and potential damage over time. What are the common symptoms of the P0306 code? No symptom at all except a check engine light, slow or sluggish acceleration, car jerks forward during acceleration, engine stalls when the car comes to a stop, rough idling, engine misfiring, reduced fuel economy. Now let's talk about how to fix P0306 code. 2-step to fix P0306 error code. Step 1. The spark plug. Remove the spark plug. Fit the spark plug socket over the protruding plug and gently unscrew it from the engine using a counterclockwise motion. Too much force can crack the plug and cause pieces to fall into the engine. Do your best to ensure no debris enters the spark plug hole when you lift it out. Check the spark plug using your gap gauge or feeler gauge. Run the tool through the electrodes to determine the measurement. Take note of the measurement and compare it to the recommended setting listed in the owner's manual. 3. Clean or replace the spark plug. To safely clean a spark plug, you should use a wire brush or spray-on plug cleaner specifically designed for this ignition part. For standard lawnmower and small engine maintenance, you should check and/or replace spark plugs. Step 2. The ignition coil. Remove the ignition coil. Carefully disconnect the spark plug wires from the ignition coil. Carefully lift the ignition coil away from the engine. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Check the ignition coil. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as cracks or excessive wear. Inspect the electrical connectors for corrosion. Clean or replace the ignition coil. Gently clean the ignition coil with a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dirt or debris. Be careful not to damage the coil during the cleaning process. Obtain the correct replacement ignition coil for your vehicle. Place the new ignition coil in the same position as the old one. Attach the electrical connectors and secure the coil with the bolts. There you have it, folks, a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and fix the P0306 code. Whether it's a simple spark plug replacement or a more complex compression issue, identifying and addressing the root cause will get your engine running smoothly. Again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive DIY tips. Thanks for watching and happy fixing!